The first thing I'm doing as far as the install for the cameras is I'm gonna hook up my signal boosters. Where I'm gonna be putting it is on the bay just in front of these rear tires. So what I've done is I got my wire and I got some of this irrigation black tubing to protect the wire underneath the RV. It had alligator clips on the end here. I cut those off. I need to make the connections here. Okay, so that's connected. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to mount my signal booster. So I need to pull this off the red tab, get that off, stick that there. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to start working my way down with my wire here towards the front. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to start sticking these along the way. So that secures that nicely right there. I'm going to just work my way down here and put one, I don't know, maybe every 1.5 feet. Okay. So we have all those mounted. I ran this long because I know I'm going to need wire inside my bay here to be able to hook it up to the 12-volt source. And now we got power. You can see that green light. So we're all good.